All right, today we are going to be working on our density and volume a little more, and hopefully we will have our metric mania wrapped up no later than Monday. So let's go through our standards. Science standards: determine the central ideas or conclusions of a text. Provide an accurate, objective summary of the text. Follow precisely a multi-step procedure when carrying out experiments, taking measurements, or performing technical tasks. And the meat of our unit here is investigate the law of conservation of mass by measuring and comparing the mass of a substance before and after the change of a state. Our I can statements today are going to be: I can learn the different measurement vocabulary and how to convert basic measurements up and down the step diagram, so I can convert and know the differences between each metric measurement. I know I will have it when I can convert and use measurements without using the step diagram. Today, we are going down to our Canvas. We're going to open up Metric Mania Part 2, and we're going to go to the one that says Lesson 3, Volume Friday. Okay, so as you guys know, we're going to start here, and we're going to keep in mind that we have 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. 1 milliliter equals 1 cm cubic meter, a cm, squared by 3, or cc's, equals 1 gram. So which one is going to be bigger, 1 liter or 1,500 milliliters? Now keep in mind 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. So we could say this as 1,000 milliliters or 1,500 milliliters. Which one is bigger? If you said 1,500 milliliters, you are correct. Good job. Now let's jump down to C. We have 12 cubic milliliters squared, or 1.2 milliliters. Which one is going to be bigger? If you said 12 cubic millimeters, that is times 3. Yes, you are correct. Good job. Now, right here, we're going to talk about measuring volume a little bit, and we'll get to the graduated cylinder later on. We will be using graduated cylinders to find volumes of liquids and other objects. Read the measurement based on the bottom of the meniscus. The meniscus is the curved part where the water meets the measurement point. So this curved point right here is our meniscus, okay? When using a real cylinder, you're going to make sure you're at eye level of the water. What is the volume of the water in this cylinder? So you have 40 plus this right here, and you're going to put your answer in. What causes the meniscus? A concave meniscus occurs when molecules of the liquid attract those of the container. The glass attracts the water to the sides, so it causes the curved look that you're observing here. Okay. All right, we can measure the volume of a regular object by using the formula of length, which is 10, times width, which is right here. You have 8, times height, which is 9. So you're going to say 10 times 8 times 9 to get your answer. We can measure the volume of a regular object using water displacement. Okay, so if you were going to take and read this, okay, you have one without the object and one with. So you're going to read this without the object, and you're going to put the answer here. Then when we put the object in, it jumps up. You're going to put your answer here. So you're going to take this answer minus this answer to get your volume. we're actually going to combine density together because it's pretty much the same item, okay? So right here it says Stacy bought a block of fudge that is 9 centimeters times 15 centimeters and cut off a cube that was 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters. So 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is what? Okay, so 9 times 15, you take this answer, and then you say minus 3 times 3 equals 9, then 9 times 3 equals what? And then you take that, and you take it, and you add it together. No, actually, you subtract it, and you put your answer right here, okay? Vicky found a volume of an object by measuring the amount of water that the object displaces. What is the volume of the object? So this is where Vicky starts off at, right here. And this is when she puts the item in, this is how high it gets. So you're going to say this volume, 82 milliliters, minus 55 milliliters gives you your answer. Okay? All right, problems 1 and 2. Use the measurements of length, width, and height to calculate the volume of each rectangular prism. All prisms are made of centimeters and centimeter cubes. Problems 3 through 4 calculate the volume of these moving boxes in cubic centimeters. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to count, and you're going to tell me the length times the width times the height for these two, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes long times 1, 2, 3 wide times 1, 2, 3, 4 high. So 6 times 3 times 4 gives us our volume for that one. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. 1, 2, 3, 5 times 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 times 3 times 9 gives you your volume here. Okay, so you're going to calculate the volumes here and here by taking and doing the same as well. Okay, and you're going to be doing cubic centimeters instead. So make sure you express it properly. So you have your length at 30 centimeters, your width at 20 centimeters, and then your height at 45. So you're going to say 30 times 20 times 45 to get your volume in cubic centimeters. Okay, so you see how you express CM3? That's what you're going to do there. Okay, so when you answer it, you're going to have, let's say it was 300. You would write 300 CM3. Okay, now this right here, you're going to say this is our length, this is our height, and this is our width. No, this is our length, this is our height, and this is our length. Anyways, you're going to multiply these three together to get your answer. Now, at home, you're going to measure specifically these things. If you do not have these items at home, find something else, put it in there, and find the volume for it, okay? Now, we will be doing this at home come Monday. And Tuesday, I will be handing out the gummy bears, and you will take and fill part of this in at school, and then the other half you will do at home. This will serve as a final project grade for you. You will see just these two slides pop up on the last part of Metric Mania, along with the unit test So make sure you keep tuned for that particular item. If you have any questions or concerns, send me an email or text me or give me a call. Thank you.